Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we explore the wonders of the natural world. To start, let's define what an alpaca is. An alpaca is a domesticated mammal that belongs to the camelid family, which also includes llamas, guanacos, and vicuñas. These incredible animals have been living in the Andes for thousands of years, with their evolutionary history dating back to the Pleistocene era. The first scientific documentation of alpacas was made by the Spanish conquistador Francisco Pizarro in the 16th century. From a scientific perspective, alpacas are classified as camelidae, and they're closely related to llamas. They inhabit the high-altitude grasslands and plateaus of the Andes, where they've adapted to survive in harsh conditions with limited vegetation. One of the key researchers who contributed to our understanding of alpacas is Dr. Jane Wheeler, an anthropologist who studied the domestication of camelids in South America. Her work has shown that alpacas were first domesticated around 6,000 years ago, and since then, they'd become an integral part of Andean culture. Recent research findings have revealed some fascinating insights into alpaca behavior. For example, studies have shown that alpacas are able to communicate with each other through a variety of sounds, including soft hums, grunts, and snorts. These vocalizations play a crucial role in their social interactions, particularly during mating season or when warning others of potential predators. Additionally, scientists have discovered that alpacas have a unique way of eating plants, using their split upper lip to pluck leaves and their teeth to grind tough grasses. In terms of ecological relationships, alpacas play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. As herbivores, they disperse seeds and fertilize plants with their dung, contributing to vegetation diversity and structure. They also have symbiotic relationships with other animals, such as the Andean condor, which feeds on their carcasses, and the puma, which preys on them. However, alpacas are facing numerous environmental challenges, including habitat loss, climate change, and competition with domestic livestock. One of the most significant threats to alpaca populations is the introduction of non-native species, such as sheep and goats, which compete for food and habitat resources. This highlights the need for conservation efforts, such as protected areas and sustainable land use practices, to preserve the integrity of Andean ecosystems. For example, the Peruvian government has established a network of national parks and reserves to protect alpaca habitats and promote ecotourism. As we explore the fascinating world of alpacas, it's clear that these creatures are an integral part of their ecosystem. They interact with other species, such as predators like pumas and coyotes, and competitors like sheep and goats. Unfortunately, human activities have led to a decline in alpaca populations, emphasizing the importance of responsible land management and conservation practices. In conclusion, alpacas are not only fascinating creatures, but also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Perhaps one of the most valuable lessons we can learn from alpacas is the value of adaptability, resilience, and community. As we strive to live in harmony with nature, let us draw inspiration from these remarkable creatures and work towards a future where humans and wildlife coexist in balance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.